Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send money through Zelle using Chase Zelle Quick Pay in the Chase mobile app. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Pay and Transfer or Move Money section. Next, select Zelle or Chase Quick Pay. If you haven't used Zelle before, you'll need to enroll by choosing the email address or mobile phone number you want to use and confirming it. After you're enrolled, tap Send Money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Make sure the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle to avoid delays. Next, enter the amount you want to send and choose the Chase account you want the money to come from. Review the payment details carefully before moving on. Once everything looks correct, confirm and send the payment. In most cases, the money is delivered within minutes and you'll see the transaction in your activity history. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you send money using Zelle on the Chase app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.